Hello, today we will guide you through how to add shipping regions on Payhip store. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a shipping zone so you can control where you ship physical products and how you group destinations for pricing. Shipping regions, sometimes called zones, are simply collections of countries or areas that share the same shipping rules. Creating them early keeps your rates organized and ensures customers see accurate options at checkout. Start by going to your Payhip dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct store so the settings you change apply to the right place. From the dashboard, head to Account to access the area where all of your store-level preferences live. This is where you'll find everything related to your store configuration. Next, open Settings. Think of this as the control panel for your shop. Here you'll manage payments, taxes, shipping, and more. Within Settings, select Shipping. The Shipping section is dedicated to physical products, and it's where you'll create profiles and zones that define which regions you serve and how you charge for delivery. Choose Edit on the shipping profile you want to modify. Editing a profile lets you add or adjust zones without affecting other profiles you may use for different product groups. If you have only one profile, this is the one your store is currently using. Now click Create Zone. A zone groups destinations that will share the same shipping logic. For example, you might create separate zones for domestic orders, nearby countries, or international destinations, depending on how your carriers price those routes. Select the region or regions you want to include. Use search or scroll to find countries, states, or broader areas as provided. Accuracy matters here. Include only the places you actually intend to ship to under this zone so rates remain clear and customers aren't shown options you can't fulfill. Enter a clear descriptive name for the zone. Good names make management easier later, especially as your shipping strategy grows. Consider something like domestic, Europe, North America, or international, whatever best reflects the destinations you just selected. Consistent naming helps you quickly recognize where each set of rules applies. Finally, click Create Zone. Your new zone will appear in the list for that shipping profile, ready for you to use when setting shipping rules and rates. You can revisit this area anytime to refine the destinations or rename the zone as your business expands or carriers change their pricing. That's it. You've successfully added a shipping region on your Payhip store, laying the groundwork for accurate customer-friendly shipping at checkout.